Hello, I'm Amelia, and today I'm showing you how easy it is to install the GROHE QuickFix low pressure kitchen tap. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. Make sure you turn off the water before installation. So, let's get started. First, let's check what's in the box. Of course, it doesn't hurt to take a look at the enclosed quick guide or the installation video. In order to install your new tap, all you need is our QuickTool. Let's get started then. The first thing you have to do is slide this O-ring over the hoses of the tap, which prevents water escaping from between the tap and the sink's basin. Then insert carefully. Now assemble the fixing set in this order. You'll only need the triangular stabilizing plate if the thickness of the worktop or sink is less than 45 mm. Now guide the fixing set over all the hoses and fix it with the half-moon seal and the brass screw underneath the worktop. Then use the QuickTool to gently tighten the tap fastening. Align the tap and tighten everything. Next, it's the flexible connection hoses' turn. These already have an integrated seal and can be easily connected directly to the instant water heater. You simply place the screw connection on the thread and turn it hand tight until it stops. The cold water inlet hose is connected to the under-sink unit. The water is heated there and returned to the tap. Now tighten again with the QuickTool until the connection is tight. Hold the hoses tightly here so that they don't twist. Now fit this check valve with the seal and screw it onto the cold water corner valve. Finally, screw the second cold water hose of the tap onto the check valve. Now slowly open the angle valve and check that everything is tight. Here's a little tip. First, turn the angle valve all the way to the left and then back again a half or quarter turn. The valve will then be easier to operate in the future. And now you can test your new tap. Job done!